What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm super pumped because my wife has got a new car. We got rid of her lowered Tahoe. If you've watched any of my last videos, I'll link them up above here. But I did have a lowered four-wheel drive Tahoe. A lot of people gave me crap for that because, well, it's four-wheel drive. Why are you lowering a four-wheel drive? That's the stupidest idea ever. Well, to me it looks better. She's short, so it makes it easier for her to get in and out of. But anyway, I'll quit talking and let you guys check out this car. So I'm sure you're thinking, like, why are you super excited because it's her car? Why does that matter? Well, because, I mean, look at the car. Look at it. It's amazing. I love the color. I love the car. To be quite honest with you, if I didn't have my Corvette and I drove one of these, I probably would have bought this first. But absolutely amazing. It rides great. It's quiet. It's quick enough. Well, for now. Obviously, we're going to do stuff to it. You know, we can't leave anything alone because stock sucks. So we had kind of a bad experience when we were picking up or looking for one of these cars. We drove all the way to Austin, which is about 10 hours from where we're at, to look at a car that was a total piece of crap. So we wanted this color. We wanted a Thunder Gray. I really wanted a 2011 and up just because it has the backup camera. And that's something my wife really likes. She's not driving this on rainy days or nasty days. It's just too nice a car to do that. We have some other drivers for that, which I'm sure you'll see me do some oil changes and some random stuff on those other cars. But this car, we are going to do stuff to. So, you know, you've seen the video of it getting unloaded off the truck. This truck shipped from Tampa. I decided I didn't want to drive or fly down to Tampa. So we actually had this car picked up and shipped to us. But we are going to do some things to this car. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. If you like this content or you like this video, you like this new car, please give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below of ideas that you think I should do to this vehicle. I've got kind of my own ideas. Of course, we've already tinted the windows, as you can see. That's one of the first things we always do to these cars. Make sure you keep watching to see what happens next.